I'm always trying to keep it between 1250 and 1800 when I'm in the first 8 gears, and then after that I kind of became it between 1215 and 1600. It's hard to explain real quick, but that's the aim of the game. That's where all the power is, and the motor loves it there, just loves it. So we're going to move up now a little bit, close this gap because the people behind us are also trying to squash up. There's not much room in this yard, but this is the biggest empty yard probably in Australia, Sydney, maybe Australia. And there's the railways there, so they actually sometimes move them around by rail. Yeah, so I'm dropping off 220s. Dropping off 220s today. Yeah, and then I'm going to go down to the wharf and pick up a new one, a full container. I'm going to pick up a full container, and I think it's full of razor blades for Aldi. So that's it. Enjoy. What else can I show you? That's about it. Oh, here's the horn. Let's do a little horn. There we go.